Need to identify email addresses associated with registered Facebook accounts? Facebook Registered Email helps check email lists in bulk and identify registered Facebook email accounts when detection data is available. This helps businesses filter email-based contact lists and prepare more relevant audience data before campaign planning or further analysis. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available email verification and account detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting a Facebook registered email detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Others category, locate Facebook registered email and click Buy Now. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the email addresses you want to check. One email address per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded email list. The system will process the email addresses and return Facebook registration results when available. After the detection task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and results summary. Review the completed results and identify email accounts registered with Facebook. Valid results refer to the total number of registered email accounts in the detection results. Click Download to save the complete Facebook registered email results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains available Facebook registered email results for the uploaded email list. Valid results represent the total number of registered email accounts. These results can support email list filtering, audience organization, and campaign data preparation. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking Facebook registered email results.